So you're either running a business or thinking about starting one right here in our great gem state. That's awesome. Now let's talk about something every business in Idaho needs: a registered agent. Before we go over what a registered agent is and how to get one, give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Ever wonder who takes care of all those official documents that come in for your business, like from the state government? Or who's there to get served with legal papers if, heaven forbid, your business ever gets sued? That's where a registered agent comes in. Having a registered agent is not just a good idea, it's the law here in Idaho. Every business, whether it's big or small, needs to have a registered agent physically present in the state. The agent's job is to receive official papers and legal notices on behalf of the business. Now you might be thinking, why can't you just be your own registered agent? Sure, technically you can, but think about it. Do you really want to keep track of all those legal papers? Or worse, risk missing one? Plus, your registered agent's address becomes public record. That means anyone can see it. And who wants their home address out there for everyone to see? This is where we come in. Legalregistration.com. Our experts are standing by to serve as your registered agent here in Idaho. We are not just another service. We are the #1 registered agent service in the nation. And that's for good reason. Our team ensures that your documents are safely received, stored, and forwarded to you, keeping your personal information private. Let's share some stats. Did you know that over 10,000 new businesses were started in Idaho last year alone? And guess what? Every single one of them needed a registered agent. Another cool stat: over 95% of businesses that use a registered agent service report better peace of mind. Why? Because they don't have to stress about missing an important document or notice. So whether you're starting a new business or looking to streamline your current one, give us a shout at legalregistration.com. Or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, does it make sense to you why registered agents are so important to businesses? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.